Thank you very much, Patricio, for your nice video. It's a pity that those birds didn't come to eat that food that you have put there. It would be great to have the opportunity to see them. Perhaps next time, right? But the other animals that you have shown me are really cute as well. You have shown me a really nice bird and a really nice and cute dog over there. They are really nice. And well, I want to thank you again, Patricio. Thank you very much for your nice video, mate. Bye bye.